Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with this gorgeous kit from Mercy Tiara Kits. It is the Cheerful kit, which is so cute, November 2024. So we've got bunches of Vicky Boutin products, bunches of Simple Stories products. I love. So the first thing I'm looking at is this piece right here. Okay, so very, very Christmassy kit by The Who. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to fussy cut it out. Then, and I think I'm going to be kind of messy with the fussy cutting because I'm going to go ahead and scuff it up anyway. So I'm going to do that. Now, this paper that you see beneath it, I love it. I love this. Okay, this piece here, I'm going to use this side to start. I think I'm also going to find... find, it's not like I'm an explorer here, something to mat this with. So let's see what we have. We have the red, green, very, very Christmassy, right? I'm seeing what papers are in these glorious kits that I might want to use to mat because, you know, we like a little something, something. This, which is the flip side, so the one we're using might be nice because it's going to have all of the colors. I lied. Look at this. It's a diagonal plaid. I just can't. Okay. Diagonals are my favorite for matting. I find them to be so pleasing to the eye. This is from Santa's Village, 3x4 elements. It is from Simple Stories. Okay. So, ooh, these are cute. Oh my word. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, y'all. I'm just gonna gut this, which means I'm going to cut out a bunch of the inside. I'm not even looking at the pretties that I'm cutting through because I would spend all this time being too strategic in trying to not cut into something. So if I don't see it, I'll be better off. Okay, we have that. Maybe I'll mat my photo with that. We shall see. Now, let's go ahead also and cut this gloriousness, keeping the branding strip because I do love a fab branding strip. So let's go ahead and cut this to 11¼ by 11¼ And what I'm going to do, because I do like the splatty bits on each side, I'm going to make sure to leave a little bit on each side. So we can do that. Now we can also, well, I barely left any on this side. Oh, Lord. So I have that. And then same thing here, like, let me go like 11½ and then cut it down to 11¼ I think that will work for me. I'm going to go ahead and mat it down. Now, we do have a gorgeous mixed media kit, so we can like play up the splatters in a little bit because, you know, we're cool like that. So this will go here. Love that already. Nice, gorgeous, like the diagonal people. Then I got to figure out where I want this. Which I don't even know what side I want this little pie to be. I just knew I wanted to cut it out. And then, you know what? I think I'm going to cut it out right on the line, come to think of it, because this will be cut on the line. So let me do that. And then, you guys, we just have to pick a holiday picture. There are so many fun things to do. Give me a moment. All right, so I did go ahead and tack these pieces down, and for no good reason whatsoever, I decided the lime green one had to be sticking out. Now, I should go ahead and mat this in this piece to bring it all together. I did scuff up my edges of this printed piece as well as all of my little pie shapes. Oh, guys, I forgot how cute this was. Okay. I guess the only thing that I'd really need to save is this right here at this point. So I'll go like this. And then, you guys, I have no idea why these Christmas layouts are coming together this quickly. It's been just like fuego. I mean, which, hey, I will take it, but it's been so quick. I love it. I love it. Maybe I am getting into the season. Okay, we do that. And yes, I cut them with the big scissors and then I trim it with my vintage Creative Memories trimmer. I don't get me, but that's what happens. Okay, so we have this photo. So this is a photo that is from a few years ago. And it's my son and his now fiance. And it was their first Christmas at their first home together. And I think it's so cute. They're in matching jammies in front of their cute little tiny tree. And now they have a gorgeous fancy tree. So I'm going to pop that up on a little bit of foam. Let me get some cheapo foam I have here. Where's my... Okay. My dog's letting me know it's his dinner time. And he is not messing around with it. So I'll jump off to do that in just a moment. Okay. So I'm going to do this. And then the next thing I was thinking is I did spend a little bit of time fussy cutting some poinsettias for my first layout this month. And I think I'm going to look at using them coming down, which I already did a giant poinsettia one, but the creative people have to do what the creative people have to do. That's all I'm saying. Okay. So right about there, boom, we're done. So this is what I was talking about. These are gorgeous. I love them. I did a diagonal layout with them. You guys, stop it. It goes right to the image. Oh my word. Is it meant to be? Is it? It might be meant to be. So I might be able to go ahead and do that. So I'd have a big amount there and a small amount here. I can't even. Should I? Because I'd have, you know what? I'm going to find a way to use all of these to use them up. I mean, I fussy cut them all. But what I'm thinking to do, just because of the way they look, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and separate these two. So I'm going to have to cut his cute little leafy off. And if I just go ahead and cover that piece, nobody but you and I will know. All right, I'm going to pop all of these pieces up because it's fun. I'm going to have to go ahead with my Vibe 2 and trim this. I never know until I start doing the layout, like how much I can get away with these little Frankenstein pieces. So we leave them in and then we adjust. We just have to adjust as we go. So we have that. I like that. And then this. Oh my gosh. I love it, guys. Layout done. Okay, I'm going to get these pieces down. Got to feed the dogs. And then, guys, let's see. We have all of these. Christmas. Oh, I like this big, giant Christmas word here. Or do I do it's Christmas time? But I love the black with the white font. I think that's what we're going to do. I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so that came together, like the background design and all that in like 2 seconds because I already had those goodies fussy cut out. I've got my word Christmas here. Now, I just think this is the bees of the knees. All right. Let's see what goodies I have here. I don't feel like I don't even need to put much in here. Sweet Memory is adorable. Ooh, that might be cute to bring a little bit of the red up. Oh, cute. Filled with Wonder. We have so many little pieces that are gorgeous. Capture the Moment. This is how we do it. That would be so cute. I'm going to put that with the red twine for my next layout. And the twine came with that kit, by the way. So cute. Okay. See, this is just like having me want to jump from the next thing to the next thing because it's so well curated. I am having way too much fun. I feel like, okay, if I have that there, and I like the idea of having that there, do I just want to go ahead and pop it up on... I think so. Maybe just a little bit of simple, like, dimensional foam stuff. There we go. Go ahead and pop that there. Because I've been having this thing where I've been enjoying a little bit more simplicity with crafting. And stop laughing at me. I know this does not look like simple crafting at all. But I do, you know, never mind. I'm just going to go with it like it's a real thing. Okay, so then I wouldn't mind putting like 3 of these pieces that are super bold, like right down in here. Like 3 in a row, right on the bottom. A red, an aqua. Hopefully they're kind of in a nice row. And a green. Cute. We're so dramatic. Look at that. Maybe I will do the same thing right up here. What? You know, like it's some design thing. Okay, we'll do that. And then a red. Cute. So I've got that on the top and the bottom. I love. Yeah, it totally made it into a whole diagonal feel to it. Now, we have that. That's super cute. Oh, might as well get this sweet little tree. Do I want that there? Well, it would have been cute, like all part of that cluster. However, what's done is done. It's now there. And we can put this sweet little bit right there to start building that cluster out. I love it. So we've got some of those brads on. Now, I have been smitten with these pieces. I don't have any other wood grain on here yet. So let's see if there's something I want to add from this gorgeousness. Obviously, I can pop in the stars and all of the cute things. Christmas Captured might actually be kind of cute. I just don't know if I have Christmas Captured. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is cute. Okay. That works. So now I feel like I can bring in the wood grain. So I'm going to put either their names or their initials. I think, ooh, I can go right there. So Leanne is first. So I can just do a nice little L. And then we've got this little starburst piece. So we can act like it's like L and J for Leanne and Justin. So cute. So cute. Okay. And I will go like that. And it makes me happy when these kits just go boom, 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 and it all comes together. Okay, do I want them touching? They maybe should be touching. I think they need to be shimmied in closer. Okay, now, clearly we have our amazing confetti, which I love, love. Okay, guys, that made me happy. That made me happy too. I'm having a good time. Now, Christmas Captured, that ended up being cute. I love that cluster there. I feel like I just want to go ahead and put some of our confetti mix in. How do I feel like it's already happy and done? Maybe because I have 5,000 pieces of pattern paper, so we can. So I'm going to just confetti mix all through, just kind of coming like this across. I'm going to use some liquid adhesive to get my pieces down, guys. And then we are going to say this little bit of happiness is done. So I'm just going ahead and I have it kind of coming down that way. Let me divert a little bit this way. Oh my goodness, my puppies are doing barkies in the backyard. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I have 5 little clusters. I'm going to pop all kinds of my gorgeous confetti. I'll show you what it looks like in a moment. All right, my friends, I added just a little bit of the confetti mix, and this layout is finished. I'm memory documented, and I am loving all of the elements in this kit. So I'm going to have links down below for the Mercy Tiara Kits website as well as the Facebook group. Guys, show us what you're doing with all of these pretties, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.